Children are the hope of our country. Children hold a great power over the future of society. Children are the assets of community. But where are these children right now? Try to look at your surroundings. Abandoned children are scattered out there. No food, no shelter, no clothes. Will it lead to a better future?
Kablaw kada kayo amin. Siak ni Maria Genelle Sajor, siak iti Miss IlocanoDefenders 2021, naggapuak iti ili iti San Manuel, probinsya iti Pangasinan. Ijay kapilyami, ada iti tinawan ang mapaspasamak nga makunkuna nga Vacation Church School o VCS. Apapan kami makipagragragsak kadagiti ubing ken mangisursuro dagiti sasao iti apo. Babaan iti daytoy nasursuruak ida nga ayatan kanikan iti importansya. Naragsakak nga makita nga adda-anda iti napintas nga isem no sursuruak ida. Makunak nga agbirbirok da iti aruga iti maysa nga pada. As a Filipino youth, I would like to intensify my advocacy for children's well-being, especially those who are abandoned by their parents. I will ensure that every Pangasinense is well cared of and not neglected. I will promote wellness, safety, and the welfare of young children in the province and make them feel that there is hope awaits ahead of them.
And as an accountancy student, I want to depreciate the increasing number of abandoned children. Let us debit love, care and hope, credit hate, neglect and despair.
So what are you waiting for? It's time to save our future.